The first time you open the download client, you will be prompted for your login credentials. For on-site implementations that do not use OAuth authentication, your credentials will be a username and password. For my Cloud Connect implementations, you will see that the install batch file has already populated the server name and OAuth information. This allows the client to connect to my Cloud Connect's global authorization service and enter your My Cloud Connect user credentials in the same way as other native My Cloud Connect applications. Press the Connect button to continue. Then enter your Connect username and password and click Next. This will open a web page that confirms the authenticated connection to the recording server. Close this page to display the initial download client screen. As this is the first time you are opening the client, you will see a dialog box that tells you that no configurations have been set yet. This is important to note because you must save an initial configuration file prior to closing the download client for the first time. This will preserve the OAuth 2 settings that were entered by the install batch file. If you do not save the initial configuration file, you will be prompted to re-enter your OAuth 2 settings. To do this, press OK to close the dialog box. Now, you must enter search criteria on the Search tab and then press the Save button to create the configuration file. In this example, we will keep the defaults on the General tab and then enter basic search information. Initially, it doesn't matter what search criteria you enter. However, the client does require you to enter at least one search parameter when pressing the Save button. Now, you will see that the configuration file has successfully been saved to your hard drive. Again, we are doing this to ensure that your client has created an initial config file that will save your OAuth settings. Now if we exit and reopen the client, we see that the OAuth settings have been preserved, and you can now open your client without having to enter any credentials. Now watch the initial configuration video to understand the initial configuration required to successfully download your recordings.